Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another new playlist. Today we need to gonna talk about introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is a web development language and we particularly use in front end as well as in back end. There are various platforms and you say frameworks where we use the JavaScript. So let's start first of all that what is JavaScript and what is the importance of the JavaScript. So JavaScript is like a high-level interpreted programming languages primarily used for web development. Okay, web development means whether you are developing a website, whether you are creating a software, you need to use the JavaScript in order to make your application easier to use and you can say you can use your interactive contents or you can become basically a versatile language. Okay, can be used for the client side in web browser and as well as server side with the help of frameworks in node.js, react. Okay, then we have the vue.js, so it's basically used to enhance the web pages with dynamic and interactive content. So this is what is JavaScript. Okay, so there are some advantages of JavaScript over the other programming languages. It's a client-side interactivity. JavaScript allows you to create interactive and dynamic behavior using the events. And what are the events we will discuss in this video later. You can also manipulate HTML elements, handle events like on button click, what will happen when the cursor goes on this button, what will be the behavior of that button, or after the user clicks on that button what will be the behavior. Okay, and you can add this validations as well using the JavaScript. You can create animations, give various designs. Okay, update contents on fly without reloading the page. Okay, and this makes actually web page more engaged and user friendly. So next thing we have the web development. Okay, we have third advantage of sorry, second advantage for this JavaScript is web development. That is a language for front development. It's also provide the DOM, document object model, which allows actually to interact and modify the structure, style and pages. Okay, JavaScript frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, Vue. Okay, we have node.js and further expanded its capabilities, which actually makes the user too easy to use for complex web application, either it's a software website and for many things. Same like the third advantages for JavaScript is that it's a server-side development, but you can also use the JavaScript in front end as well. So with the advent of the Node.js, JavaScript can now be used on the server side as well, and this actually allows the developer to use the same language in the front end as well as backend throughout the entire web development stack, enabling better code sharing, increased productivity, and seamless communication between the client and server. JavaScript is considered to be the fast as compared to the other languages because this languages runs in the browser. Okay, it runs in the browser. That's why it's a speed up language. Okay, its efficiency and its speed is quite better than other programming languages. That's why it is considered to be the preferable language as compared to the other ones. Same like we have another advantage is that its cross-platform compatibility is supported by all major web browsers, including the Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Opera. Okay, and being also Microsoft Edge. Okay, so it's highly compatible language. This means that the application built with JavaScript can run on the different devices or in different operating system, either it's Linux, Windows, iOS, or others. Same like we have another advantage is integration with HTML and CSS is very easy using the JavaScript. If you want to use the JavaScript in your HTML or in CSS code, you just use the script tag to the actually add this. So it is actually allows developers to manipulate HTML elements, modify styles, and dynamically update the presentation of web pages. Same like the last advantage for JavaScript is that it has wide range of applications. Okay, JavaScript is increasingly being used for purposes as well. It can be used in the web development, in machine learning, in mobile app development, in web development, desktop development, game development, every field that is related to the programming JavaScript plays a very important role. Or obviously, it have some interactive frameworks like the React Native, Next.js, Node.js, okay, Vue.js, AngularJS. So these all are the frameworks of JavaScript that actually makes the JavaScript more interactable. It has one of famous framework like Electron, and even it is used in the machine learning, for modeling, for data visualization, data analysis. So this is the quite amazing advantages of JavaScript, of we have as compared to the other languages. So this is guys today's video. I hope so today's video is very interesting and you find this very helpful, that what is the JavaScript, where JavaScript is used, and what are the some advantages of JavaScript other than other languages. So guys, if you like my video, kindly do like, subscribe and share. Meet you in next video. Take care.